Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be painting the all-loved Rocket Raccoon from Guardians of the Galaxy. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start by airbrushing the gun with silver. I use ultramarine blue mixed with black to make the clothing of the raccoon. Hull red for the leather parts. I use silver to paint the little guns. Misty brown for the fur. Dark vermilion for the scarf. Bone white for the eyebrows and the nose. Now I'm going to try to use wet blending on the goggles with sky blue and ultramarine blue. I use dark vermilion for the red details on the gun. I'm going to apply a black wash on the gun to make it darker. Dry brushing white onto the raccoon to make the highlights. Dry brushing ultramarine blue mixed with sky blue onto the clothings. Now dry brushing the scarf with orange. And now we're done with the raccoon and I will start painting the base. I'm going to start painting the fire with yellow. Orange on top of the yellow. Red on top of orange. And this is how you paint fire. I'm airbrushing the main part of the base with flat brown. Where the fire comes from, I'm adding some highlights with a lighter brown. I used warrior skin as a wash. And now for the final step, I'm going to use bronze and gold to paint the bullets. And now, the moment you all have been waiting for, it's time for the final result.